Okay, so this is quite a complex job. Originally there was a big corner bath in this corner here. It came across and it was one of those big quadrant corner baths like that, and the cold pipe and the hot pipe were originally about this level, supplying up into the taps for the bath. So now this is going to be a shower room with the shower tray actually on the floor. So the mains comes in there. That's the main stopcock. So to avoid the shower tray, once I took the bath out, there was this slot in the concrete already there. So I've basically put the mains back in the floor. I think probably where it originally was, because that slot seems to go under the wall, through the wall under there. But you can see originally the mains was above the floor, and it joined in and went through the wall to the kitchen, where it goes round the kitchen to the boiler. Then the hot comes back, and the hot went to the bath here, and with the cold, and here we go. This is the hot and cold here. That's the hot and cold, which went to that point there originally, and then there was a normal basin. So now I've done all the alterations. The mains is in the floor, so the tray can go on the floor, and this end is a wall-mounted vanity unit and basin, and this is the isolation valve for the hot for the basin, isolation valve for the cold for the basin tap, and then these two, that one's the cold and that one's the hot, that's for the shower. You can see it's connected to pipework which goes through. You can see I've marked on the wall there with these pencil marks, and follow them, and there's the shower outlet. So you've got cold and hot. You've also got the basin waste pipe. This is the old surface of the wall here, and you can't chase a piece of pipe that size into the wall. It makes it unstable. That's written down in the Part A, the building regulations, Part A structure. That wall would become unstable if you cut a slot that deep across the whole length of it. So the only way to put the shower area in here with a wall surface is to batten out. So I had to use 2x2 timber, so it just goes over the waste pipe, and that's all the way along there. It drops down and goes out in that corner over there, look. And you can see what I'm doing here. I'm boarding over, and I've got one more piece of board to put on. I'm building an alcove there next to the shower. Later on, I've got all these holes to fill. I've got some plaster work to make good. The floor has started to break up, so I've got to make that good. I've got to cut a hole in the floor and chase out for the waste outlet for the shower. That's got to be done, and that goes out through the wall below floor level, so it's just below the surface of the floor. Obviously it has to fall at a slight gradient that way to allow it to drain, and then I reinforce all the joints, waterproof all the joints and everything, all the wall surface. The tray goes in, and then I tile.